The front of this RV looks aggressive, modern, and extremely premium. A massive panoramic windshield gives it a commanding road view. Sharp LED headlights and DRLs create a futuristic identity. The bold grille design reflects Scania's truck DNA. High driving position ensures better visibility and control. Aerodynamic shaping improves both efficiency and performance. Every angle from the front screams power and dominance. It truly looks like a luxury truck from the future. Step inside and you're welcomed into a high-end luxury lounge. Soft ambient lighting creates a calm and premium environment. The spacious living area features comfortable sofas and seating. A fully equipped modern kitchen includes top-class appliances. Large windows bring in natural light and open space feeling. A stylish dining area adds to the home-like experience. Every material used feels premium and carefully selected. This space is designed for comfort, relaxation, and entertainment. From the side, the double-decker structure looks absolutely stunning. Its long body and tall height give it unmatched road presence. Smooth lines and modern finishing enhance its luxury appeal. Large tinted windows run across both levels beautifully. Hidden storage compartments add practicality to the design. Heavy-duty wheels and tires highlight its off-road capability. It looks like a moving five-star hotel from this angle. The side view truly defines its powerful identity. The rear design is bold, clean, and highly functional. Vertical LED taillights give it a modern and premium touch. A strong rear structure supports heavy-duty performance needs. It may include a garage space for bikes or extra storage. Camera systems improve visibility and safety while reversing. The design focuses on both beauty and practicality. Every detail is built for long-distance travel efficiency. The rear completes the RV's powerful overall look. Under the body lies a powerful Scania V8 engine setup. This engine delivers extreme torque for heavy-duty performance. A 6x6 drivetrain ensures maximum stability on all terrains. It can easily handle mountains, deserts, and long highways. Advanced suspension provides a smooth and controlled ride. The transmission system is built for both power and efficiency. It's designed for long-distance reliability without compromise. This RV is not just luxury, it's pure power on wheels.